CB's.
Hey everybody, this is the new 6-inch portable carpenter's vise by Central Machinery from Harbor Freight Tools, and I think it's cool enough that I wanted to show you guys around it. So let's take a look. So this is a compact little guy that basically attaches to any tabletop with ease. So on the bottom here you have a small auger that allows you to attach it to the table, which maxes out a little over 2 inches. So as long as your tabletop ain't too thick, this should attach just fine. So I got this guy for my rolling work table, which I use all the time, but I found myself having to bust out my clamps all the time to fasten my work when I was doing something, and that gets old pretty quick. But this guy holds firmly on the table, and it's awesome for holding stuff that I need to grind down, or if I'm securing a piece of wood for cutting or drilling, or especially if I need to cut a small piece of pipe or a solid steel rod like this one. Do you know how annoying these are to try to clamp down to a table with these? Now the jaws on here are 6 inches wide by about 2 5/8 inches tall, and the jaws open up to about 4.5 inches wide, which I would say is a pretty good width for such a tiny portable vise. And each jaw has pre-drilled holes in case you wanted to do rubber or plastic or wood inside the vise, depending on what you're working with. And if you go to the back of the vise here, you can see there's also pre-drilled holes. So in case you wanted to bolt it directly to your table, you have that option. And I honestly love the portability of this thing because you can move it around so easily. Just loosen it up, slide it to where you want it to go, tighten it down, and you're ready to work. That easy. And to show you guys how good the clamp strength is on this little thing, I'm gonna put my sledgehammer in there and see if it can hold it. All right, so it's holding it upright just fine. We'll give it a little bit of pressure. Still holding, still holding, still holding. So this guy runs for just 25 bucks at Harbor Freight, which I think is a pretty great deal. Even if you only use it every once in a while, it sure beats busting out a C-clamp when you need to attach something to your table. Thank you guys for watching.
CB's.